So I come home from work today. It's Friday, looking forward to the weekend, and I have a new box here. It says Keto. It's Keto Box from the Knox Produce Box group. So let's bring it inside and unbox it and see what we've got today. Also, while we're out here, let's say hello to Lucky. Although Lucky wants to act like he's too good to talk to me right now. Hello, baby. Lucky. Hello, baby. You know, that's just the life of a cat. They gotta make it look like they're in charge of whenever they decide to show attention or affection. So anyway, Lucky is just gonna sit out here and be a little bit too cool for school right now. Okay, so let's take a look at everything we got today. Again, this was roughly in the neighborhood of about $40. Just a smidge more when we take into account tax, but here's what we got. We got a bag full of Cubanelle peppers. It's a pound. I have never used these before. I don't know how I feel about it until I look it up on Google and see how hot they are. I do have some friends that like hot peppers. If they're hot, I may offer them to my friends. If they're not too hot, I may enjoy them. And it says it is Kentucky proud, and in Tennessee we are right next door to Kentucky, so this is a relatively local area, Scottsville, Kentucky. We got an acorn squash. That will be nice. We got 2 lettuces, and what's great about these is that they still have the root ball attached, and when that happens, then I find that the lettuce lasts much, much, much longer. Do not be afraid of this one here. It's got very dark colored leaves, and I don't know that my phone can adequately pick that up. It's like a deep purple. It is not black. It is not rotten. In fact, it's so fresh that there's a piece of dirt back here that on that leaf, we're gonna have to wash it carefully. But these are very, very, very fresh, and I'm excited about that. I got some new salad dressings I wanna try. I got 5 limes, 2 onions. So let's see what it says here. These are from, gosh, it's so tiny. It's hard for me to read. Oh, there it is, Vidalia. So yeah, sweet onions, Vidalia sweet onions. So that's very nice. Let's see, we got 5 zucchinis. We got several peppers, bell peppers. We got 4 green bell peppers and 2 red bell peppers. We got a bunch of tomatoes. We got 2 red tomatoes, 4 green tomatoes. Now with the green tomatoes, we got a couple of options. We can either make fried green tomatoes, which is a totally southern thing to do, and it's delicious. Basically, you slice them into circles. I've seen people do wedges or chunks and fry those in a batter, and then you can serve it with a creamy sauce. Or if you really want to, you can see this one is starting to turn a little bit pink, which will eventually turn red. If one puts this in the windowsill and gets a good amount of sunshine each day, they will eventually turn red. So we've got some options here, and then you just use them like a traditional tomato. And then we've got a bin full of grape tomatoes. This says it is from Dayton, Tennessee. And based on the zip code, I can tell that I think that's gonna be maybe a couple of 100 miles from me, perhaps. I don't know, I'll have to Google it to be sure. But anyway, that is from my state here. So I'm very happy about all of this. $40, you know, and it makes me think outside the box, makes me try things that I would have never in my life picked up in the store ordinarily, independently on my own. But I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna see what a Cubanelle pepper is, how hot it is, and decide what I'm gonna do with it. And it's actually really pretty because this one right here has some red. There's some orange. There's an orangey yellow one back here, and then some green ones. So we'll see what we do with it. So thanks for stopping by. That's just my little Friday afternoon haul from basically what was delivered to my doorstep. Nice and easy. For 40 bucks, I've got a locally sourced variety pack of fruits and vegetables. It's gonna be nice to go through this weekend. Anyway, I hope that everyone is doing well and staying safe. I appreciate you stopping by to see what we're up to this week at my house. I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it.